A very pleasant morning to all of you. Students, welcome to the digital education platform of Sri Academy. Today I am going to teach you about Roman numerals, means Roman अंक. I also repeat in हिंदी. बच्चों, मैं आज आपको रोमन नंबर्स के बारे में जानकारी दूंगा. तो एट फर्स्ट वी वांट टू टेल यू कि रोमन न्यूमेरल्स बेस्ड ऑन these 7 symbols. Means by the help of these 7 symbols we can create all type of Roman numbers. What are these symbols? So symbols are I stand for 1, V stand for 5, X stand for 10, L stand for 50, C stand for 100, D stand for 500, and M stand for 1000. Means by the help of these 7 symbols we can make all Roman numbers. Apart from this, we want to tell you some others number just like 2 double I, 3 triple I, 4 IV, you see here 5 V, okay, and 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 V triple I, 9 IX, and you see here 10X, okay, 20 double X, 30 triple X, 40 XL, you see here 50 L, 60 LX, 70 L double X, and 80 L triple X, 90 XC. So student, on this page you can write 1 to 90 Roman number, and you see here 100 C, okay. Means I can say you can make 1 to 100 Roman number without any hesitation. And after that I want to tell you some others Roman numeral just like 200 double C, 300 triple C, 400 CD, and you see 500 Roman number of 500 D, 600 DC, 700 D double C, 800 D triple C, 900 CM, and 5000 bar B. Means how can you write Roman number in expanded form? Means I want to tell you some other example also. Means suppose that we can take example 568, okay. So how can we write this number into Roman numerals? So at first we write this number into expanded form just like 568. We can write also 500 plus 50 plus 10 plus 8. After that we change into Roman number. So student, you listen and see carefully कि at first we write the Roman number of 500. So what is the Roman number of 500? D. Means we write here D. After that Roman number of 50. So Roman number of 50 you can see here कि Roman number of 50 L, okay. तो L means D 500, L 50, and Roman number of 10 to X, and Roman number of 8 V triple I. Means these are the Roman numerals of 568, okay. 500, 50, 10, 60, and 8, 68. 568. Next 7653. So at first we write it into the expanded form. So we write 7000, after that 600, after that 50, and after that 3. How will we write it into the Roman numeral? So what is the Roman number of 7000? You want to know, but we are going to tell you कि at first you write a symbol of 7. What is the symbol of 7? So V double I, okay, V double I. And if you indicate the bar sign, means bar sign, bars V double I, means it will be so 7000, okay, 7000. What is the Roman number of 600? To DC, V double I DC, 50 L, and 3 triple I. bar V double I, bar V double I DC L triple I, okay. This is the Roman number of 7653. Is that clear? Okay. I am going to tell you some other Roman numbers, just like 12,523. You see here 12,523. How will we write it into the expanded form? So at first we write expanded form 12,000, means 12,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. Then we are going to convert it into the Roman number. So what is the Roman numeral of 12? To x double I, x double I, Roman number of 12, x double I indicate 12, okay. And we can indicate the bar, means bar x double I, bar x double I will show the Roman number of 12,000. Before some time I told you if you indicate in any symbol with bar, then it will be then it will be multiplied that number from 1000, okay, means bar x double I, Roman number of 500 D, Roman number of 20 double x, Roman number of 3 triple I, okay, means bar x double I D double x triple I, okay. It will be so 12,523. Is that clear? Next question. Roman number of 4036. Roman number of 4036. So at first we write it into the expanded form. 4000 plus 30 plus 6. And after that we are going to convert it into the Roman number. Means what is the Roman symbol of 4? So 4 indicate IV, okay. IV, so 4. But we can indicate the bar sign, means bar IV. Bar IV will show the 4000. Because why? Because it will, when we show the bar, then that number will multiply by 1000, okay. Means bar IV will show 4000, 30 triple x and 6 VI. Is that clear, student? Next question. Means then student, I am going to tell you ki how will you convert any number into Roman numerals. Means we convert Roman numerals, we convert any number into Roman numerals. These are the rules. Means what are the rules? There are 4 rules. There are 4 rules to make Roman number. First rule is that if any symbol repeat more than one time, then it means addition. Means if any symbol repeat more than one time, अगर कोई भी symbol one time से ज़्यादा repeat होता है तो उसका मतलब उस नंबर का एडिशन किया जाता है. जैसे सपोज दैट व्हाट इज द रोमन नंबर ऑफ 2? तो डबल आई, ओके, डबल आई. We can write it into the expanded form I plus I. I stands for 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. And Roman number of 20 to double x. At first we write it into the expanded form x plus x. X stands for 10 and plus x stands for 10. 10, 10, 20. Okay. Next, triple x. What is the Roman number of 30? So triple x. X plus x plus x. Means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10, 10, 20, 10, 30. Okay. Is that clear? Means it is clear कि if any symbol repeat more than one time, then it will be show the addition. Okay, the addition. Next question. Next rule is that कि symbol I, X, C and M, symbol I, X, C and M will repeat maximum 3 times. Means जो ये symbol है I means 1, X stand for 10 and C stand for 100 and M stand for 1000. It will be repeat only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay, means इन सभी नंबरों को केवल 3 टाइम ही रिपीट किया जाएगा. हाउ? जैसे सपोज दैट व्हाट इज द रोमन नंबर ऑफ 1, तो I, 2 डबल I, 3 ट्रिपल I. बट व्हाट इज द रोमन नंबर ऑफ 4? 4 टाइम I? No, that's wrong. Because why? The Roman number of 4 I भी. Okay, it's wrong and it's right. Next is that rule number 3rd. Symbol V, L and D. Symbol V, L and D will never repeat. Means जो symbol V 5, L 50 and D 500 यह कभी भी repeat नहीं होता. Why? Because we can explain it into the example. Suppose that Roman number of 10. What is the Roman number of 10? Means can we write V plus V? Means 5 plus 5? No, because it is wrong. Roman number of 5 will show X. Is that clear? Next question. Means rule number 4. If any small symbol write the left side of big symbol. If any small symbol write the left side of big symbol, means we obtain that number to subtract from big symbol. अगर कोई भी स्मॉल सिंबल बिग सिंबल के लेफ्ट साइड में राइट होता है तो उसका मतलब मुझे उस सिंबल को राइट साइड वाले बिग नंबर से माइनस करना होता है. जैसे सपोज दैट रोमन नंबर ऑफ 4 I भी. हाउ वी नो कि दिस विल शो द 4? means at first we write the number, we write the Hindu Arabic number of V, तो 5 and minus 1, 5 minus 1 4. Roman number of 90 to Yaxi. How will we write? So at first you write the Roman number of C, means Hindu Arabic number of C, तो 100 and minus, because it is the Yax is write it to the left side of C, so Yax 10, 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Is that clear, student? Okay. Next. In next question, I am giving you some example, and also I want to tell you how will you convert into the Roman number. Suppose that what is the Roman number of 10,253? So before time I have to told you कि you write it as into the expanded form. So how? 10,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 3. If that's clear, means it is same. We write it on this form or this form. These both are same. Okay. So at first you write the Roman number of 10,000. So how will you write 10,000? So at first you write Yax, symbol of 10 Yax, and after that you indicate bar Yax will show the 10,000. Why? Because the symbol of Yax will show 10, and when you write 10, when you indicate the bar, then 10 will multiply by 1000, means 10,000, and Roman number of 200 CC, double C, and Roman number of 50 L, and 3 triple I, means bar Yax double C L triple I. It will be indicate the 10,253. Next is that in 976. It is very simple. So at first you write it into the expanded form 900 plus 70 plus 6. Okay. So what is the Roman number of 900? So what is the Roman number of 1000 M? And you subtract 100. 100 subtracted from M, so you will be find your answer is 900. So at first you write CM will show 900, and 70 means 50 plus 20, L plus X plus Yax. Okay, And what is the Roman number of 6? So VI means CML VI. Is that clear? Okay. Next question. 1055 means at first you write into the expanded form 1000 plus 50 plus 5. So Roman number of 1000 m. Before some time I cleared you by the chart method. 1000 m, 50 L and V 5. 1055. Next question 2525. Okay, so at first you write it into the expanded form. 2000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. What is the Roman number of 2000? To double m. Roman number of 1000 m plus m means 1000 plus 1000, 2000, 500 d and 20 double f v5. It is the Roman number of 2525. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.